All right, let's do this because I'm excited. Hair's coming down. Hold on. I don't even know if I'll put this in. I don't even care. Oh, I just picked this up yesterday. Day before yesterday. I don't remember. I'm too excited. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing, and then I'm gonna do a little setup process. My TV is gonna be my monitor. I have a keyboard, which my brother gave me, and then I just went out and bought a mouse. We'll see how this goes. Oh boy, let's do this. Oh baby, a proper unboxing. Prepare yourselves, it's coming. Oh my gosh, there it is. Here's the inside of the box, in case anyone's curious. There's a little barcode in there, but that's okay. This thing, oh my gosh. Okay, but here it is. The whole desktop computer. I'll unwrap that paper in a minute after I'm finished marveling at it. Jeez, that thing's nice looking. Wow. And tiny as hell. This is what a computer is nowadays, people. And do you not remember the giant desktops we used to have? All right, just putting that over here for a little minute. Oh, look at the braided power cord. Even forgot. Look at it. This I will unwrap right now. Because it's an essential item, one thing. But also, because it's fucking cool as hell. Look at the texture of it. Wow. Listen, this is why I like Apple. They make quality stuff. Okay, power cord. Then we got this little booklet and stuff. Designed by Apple, California. Regular FTC, warning, everything. There's nothing else left in there, so that's going over. But yeah, just a little booklets about the Mac Mini itself and, you know, welcome guides, how to turn it on, what everything is, set up or transfer stuff. Yeah, so let's get down to business. Okay, that leaves one thing to be unwrapped. This beauty, which I'm afraid. I'm like, I don't want to drop it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I hope that writing's on there. That would be great. Here we go. That's it. I'm gonna put that there. A little jargon, which no one cares about and probably can't see, but I like it. It's my jargon. And here she is. Isn't she beautiful? Ports, power, Ethernet for internet, for your connection to your monitor, Thunderbolt, the beautiful Apple logo, yes. 2 USB-Cs, your headphone jack, and your thingamabobber for the power. Yeah, light, sure, indicator. All right, I'm gonna plug this in now, and we're gonna see how this goes. So I have my Ethernet cable. I have the power cord. I have, please, this way. I have my keyboard, essential item, and of course the mouse. Right, while we got the top down shot still, let's unbox this mouse too while we're at it. because eventually it may be a review, because I kept hearing stuff about the Logitech MX. I forget. I have to look it up. I'll probably put the name on the screen or something. But yeah, I kept hearing a lot of stuff about that mouse, but that mouse was $100 freaking dollars. Actually, 110. Oh, look at that, little tapey tapes. Don't worry, I got me poker. I went to Disney World and got this pen. First time going. It was great. So good. Can't wait to go back. So much stuff I didn't see. All right, come on, don't be freaking naughty. Bluetooth on. Da-da-da-da-da. How you set it up? It's stiff. Okay. Okay. Ooh, the mouse itself. It's in like this weird cloth pouch thing with paperwork surrounding it. There she is. I had to get this one because it was red. And all the other ones were black. I was like, I want a splash of color. But yeah, this, I don't know, I'll keep on to it in case of whatever. I don't know, but I thought there was a dongle. Yeah, that's it. That's the mouse. Buttons, it's programmable apparently. Wait a minute. There's the dongle in there. Ingenious. It's right in there. I have to pull this to activate the battery. But look, there she is. Now the unfortunate part is this doesn't have any USB-A ports. So the fix, you can get a dongle. I bought one actually from Best Buy. Hold on, let me see. So it's a good thing that I tried this now as opposed to not, and it's a good thing my brother, coming through again in the clutch, gave me this, which has a USB-C thing. So I can just plug this thing, into the back of here, like so. And then, get out of here, you don't even work. Then, plug this in. But yes, there it is, plugged in. Barely sticks out. I don't know if you can see how much it doesn't stick out. I don't know where you can find this. I'm sure if you look for an adapter, because this has like 2 HDMIs. It also has 3 USB ports. 2 of them are USB 2.0. One of them USB 3. And it also has looks like a charging port, USB-C, right there. But yeah, it's nice, made out of metal. Matches the MacBook in a way. Shade darker, but Mac Mini, shade darker. Okay, so I'm gonna get everything plugged in, and that'll be that. Let's go handheld for this one, just so I can show you everything being plugged in and whatnot. Sorry for the shadow, because I got an overhead light up there. I don't really care about lighting. I'm too excited. I'm trying to get this set up. All right, so this, sorry.